Holy crap! Ah! 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 I'm falling! I'm falling! I'm falling! Attend out, everybody. Welcome, everyone, to Left to Die, the Left 4 Dead parody in Roblox. So look, we are doing cold-blooded campaign mode today, so I'm going to take the shotgun if I can. Thank you very much. I'm going to take some med packs. Hold on, dude. Wait up for me. I mean, I don't want you going in by yourself, bud. Alright, ready? Alright, let's move. So basically, I haven't played this mode in a while. I mean, I played the survival mode, which you guys saw earlier, and I haven't played this game in a while. Die, you bastard! Alright, got him. And also, yeah, I said I was going to end videos, but you know what? Just one last one before Betty Bye. You know, just a little zombie murder, just to make the good dreams happen, you know? There we go. That's good stuff. I mean, that helps me sleep at night. Yeah, got him. Alright, he wasn't dead yet, so... Anyway, we're with this guy, I guess, and just two of us. I think this is my captain. Die and stay dead. Oh, good gosh. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh gosh. Okay, okay, hold on. That guy's a fat boy. He's a fat boy. He farted. Ugh. It's like my dad farted. Alright, you can't get me up here, can you? Gotcha. Oh, my guy's down. Oh, that's a big deal. Oh, boy, I'm coming. Ah! Oh, crap! Oh, god! Oh, god! It's just fucking murder! Shut up already. Jeez. Alright. Let's try this again. Like Groundhog Day, you know what I mean? Jeez, man. We aren't cut out for this. Alright. Alright, let's try this again, except this time work on stuff. Can I get the shotgun? There, I'll use this. Okay. What's up, zombos? A to the I to the O, zomb bitch. Die, get down. Get him. Man, it's like taking out illegals all over again. Alright, come on, man, come on. I got you. Alright. Got him. Alright, you're safe now. It's a fat boy. It's Arnold Schwarzenegger. What? How are you still alive? Yeah, that's right, sit down. Ow, jeez. Back up. Okay. Oh gosh, are you serious? Not this crap again. Not this crap. Oh, thank you. Thanks, man. Alright. Stay down. We don't have bombs or anything like that, so we have to do this. Nice idea putting it on normal mode, dude. Alright. Heal yourself, you feckin' imbecile. Heal. Yeah, I'm gonna heal myself, actually. Because I'm a better person and I know what I'm doing, unlike you. See? Look at that. Whoa. Okay. Took him out. Alright, let's move. Wait, he left the game? It's just me. Are you kidding me? Alright, I can't do this anymore. Stay back. Maybe I can. Alright. Where are you? I think I got it. Not a fat boy, not a fat boy, not a fat boy, not a fat boy, not a fat boy. Oh crap. Oh, not this crap again. Not this crap. Oh god.
Oh! Oh yeah!
Ugh.